When was the last time you actually cleaned your air fryer? Not just the basket, but the heating element hidden right at the top. I didn't look at mine for almost a year, and the buildup was so gross I almost threw it away. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to get it completely clean, including that forgotten top section. Just make sure it's unplugged and completely cool before we start. Let's dive in. Step 1. Remove the basket and tray from your air fryer and bring them over to the sink. If they're stuck on food, fill your sink with warm water, add a few drops of dish soap, and submerge the basket and tray completely. Let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking first saves you so much effort. The warm water does the heavy lifting before you even pick up a sponge. Trust me on this one. After soaking, take your soft sponge and gently scrub in small circular motions. For everyday grease, this step alone is all you need. Step 2. Now for those stubborn burnt-on stains that won't budge. Here's where we bring in the real secret weapon. In a small bowl, mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda with 4 tablespoons of warm water. Stir until you get a thick, smooth paste. Think toothpaste consistency. Apply the paste directly onto the burnt areas . Now here's my absolute favorite part. Take your soft paintbrush, dip it in white vinegar, and gently brush it right over the baking soda paste. Look at that! Do you see those bubbles? That reaction between the baking soda and the acid in the vinegar is literally lifting and breaking down every layer of burnt grease at a chemical level. It is so satisfying to watch. Now leave it for 15 minutes. Set a timer. Go do something else. The chemistry is working. Let it work. Don't rush this step. After 15 minutes, grab a soft sponge dipped in hot water and simply wipe everything away. One very important note after using baking soda, always wash the basket again with dish soap and rinse it extra thoroughly. Any leftover residue will affect the flavor of your next meal, and baking soda flavored chicken is definitely not a vibe. Okay, this is the moment I've been building up to, the most neglected, most forgotten part of every single air fryer out there, the heating element. The heating element is the coil inside the top of your air fryer. Every time you cook, chicken, fries, vegetables, anything, tiny droplets of oil and steam rise up and coat that coil. When that grease builds up and burns again the next time you use the machine, it creates smoke. It creates that unpleasant smell, and yes, it drips right back down onto your food. Take a clean cloth, dampen it with warm water, and add a few drops of lemon juice or white vinegar. Bring it out well. You want it damp, not dripping wet. Very gently wipe along the heating coil in light, slow strokes. You are lifting the grease layer off, not scrubbing, not polishing. Be patient, be gentle. This part rewards your patience. Wipe once more with a fresh, clean cloth to pick up everything you just loosened, then pat dry with your microfiber cloth. And that's your heating element completely clean. Let's finish the outside. For the exterior, dampen your microfiber cloth and wipe down all surfaces. If there are greasy smudges or fingerprints, add a tiny drop of dish soap to the cloth. For the inner cavity walls, the area surrounding the heating element, use just a damp cloth with warm water. No soap needed in there. A gentle wipe is all it takes. Step 5. Now let's tackle odor. If your air fryer has that stale, rancid oil smell, you know exactly what I mean. I have two completely natural solutions. Solution 1. Cut a few slices of fresh lemon and place them in the basket. Set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 degrees Celsius, and run it for 5 minutes. The citric acid in the lemon vaporizes at that temperature and naturally neutralizes every odor molecule trapped inside. Science and citrus, what a combination! Solution 2. Place a small bowl of white vinegar in the basket. Set the temperature to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 100 degrees Celsius, and run for 5 minutes. The vinegar steam absorbs and eliminates any lingering smell. Step 6. We are in the home stretch. Use your dry microfiber cloth to thoroughly dry every single component, the basket, the tray, the inner walls, all of it. Do not skip drying. Here's my favorite pro tip before we wrap up. Run your air fryer empty at 210 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. This evaporates any last traces of moisture. Think of it as a blow-dry cycle for your air fryer. It prevents mold and keeps everything in perfect condition for your next cook. And that is everything a completely clean, odor-free, and safe air fryer, ready for your next delicious meal. See you in the next one.